Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today, in this video, we have something a little bit different. Let me show you the Botanium Mini Hydroponic System that anyone can use. It is for indoor use only with self-watering function, so you don't need to worry about anything. The tank water itself should last several weeks. So you don't need to water the plant, you plug it and it will water your plant every 3 hours or so. I think I'm a very good example. I don't know anything about plants, I don't have time for it, but I do like to see them and I do like to grow my plants. So with this one, I was able to grow the plant to the state it is now, and hopefully in the future we'll have some chilies. By the way, I'm growing some Lila Luzi chili peppers. So basically you can go on holidays, you don't need to spend too much time taking care of the plant. This product will do that for you. So there's no soil, no dirt, easy to keep, and in terms of the looks, yes, this minimalistic, elegant Scandinavian design that will fit any home or any office. I did 2 short videos showing how to put it together and the development of the plant. Check those down below. Like I said, I have no experience whatsoever. First things first, let's open the box. Let's do an unboxing really quick, and then I'm gonna show you how you put it together, how you prepare the plant to grow. Okay, so this is all I've got. I've got the bottle, let's call the bottle here, the Botanium system, with some nice instructions. I do like the illustrations on the box. It comes with this quick start guide. And one thing again I must tell is how clear the instructions are, step by step, so anyone can do it. In the box we can also find our Botanium growing medium. According to manufacturers, it will absorb some water and you cannot overwater the plants with this medium. Pause if you want to read it. This is where we put our seeds in. I'm going to show that in a minute. And of course we got our Botanium. Mine is white. There's 3 different colors you can choose from: gray, green and white. I think this is the most elegant. We also have these nutrients. I'm going to add this to the water. And of course it comes with this USB plug. And here you can see the quality of the cord itself. So again, the pump will run every 3 hours. There's the water pump. Inside there, the water tank. And this is basically how you put together. Very simple. I was sent this Botanium growing light. They recommend to use this if you don't have enough sunlight in your place. I use it for a while, but again, for best results, put the Botanium at your windowsill with loads of sunlight. Alright, so let's start the process. First, add some 5 full pipettes of nutrients to the water tank. Again, the instructions are very clear. Next, we need to add our water. Let's fill it up. Tiny window here on the side where you can see your water level, which is good in the future as well. Next thing, we need to add our growing medium and rinse it. I believe this step is just to get rid of all that dust. Next step is to add our seeds. In this case we're going with these Lila Luzi seeds. The Botanium packaging looks very sustainable. Everything looks like made of paper. There's no plastics here, so thumbs up for that. So basically we just need to put the seeds into the growing medium. You can plant just one, but I thought our odds will be bigger if we plant 5, which probably was wrong because all 5 grew up. Later on remove 4 of them, leaving the biggest one in there so they don't fight for nutrients and sunlight. This was by recommendation of Botanium, which was a good recommendation because now we have one good healthy plant growing up. Alright, so next step will be just put it together and plug it in. And that's it. You don't need to worry about anything else. Just give it loads of sunlight or just buy the Botanium light to replace the sunlight. Depending on what you're growing, the results might be quite different. Of course, as soon as we plug it in, the pump starts working. Again, this will work every 3 hours or so. Quite cool, right? So at the beginning, as I mentioned, I use the light and it will look something like this. The results you're going to get, of course, will depend on the sunlight and on the plant itself. I read that some other plants, some other herbs will grow so much faster than these Lila Luzi chilies. And guys, quick update here. This was 4 weeks later. 5 out of 5 seeds are out. I was really happy with it. The Botanium was under this light, I would say 20% of the time, and the remaining time on the windowsill. This was before the summer. And guys, 12 weeks later, this is where we are now. The progress is not very big, but I'm very happy with the results. The plant is looking really healthy, and now I'm just waiting for those chilies. The other 4 I removed. I kept it in a small vase, but the progress is very slow. In comparison to this Botanium one, this is going strong. And one other thing I like is the looks of it. It does look premium. Sometimes I put it in my office. Probably that's the reason why it's going a little bit slower. But I do like to see it. There's a water level there. I add some more water and some more nutrients in the between. But yeah guys, so far I'm enjoying this. Again, I'm not an expert whatsoever. Let me show you the tank here. It's growing some algae there, but still working strong. No fuss, nothing. It's zero worry. Got this mark here on the back. So everything aligned. You can tell it's a quality product. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Yeah guys, let's wrap the video. I'm gonna keep you posted, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. If I don't know how to answer them, I'll ask Botanium for help. Check the link down below. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll try to keep you posted on the growth of this Lila Luzi chili plant. Yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, click the like button and please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Like always guys, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.